Microsoft has been steadily making a lot of improvements to CRM mobile since version 2011. Let's take a look at just a few of those right now. So first of all, you can see this mobile view. I'm looking at a dashboard, so my dashboards are visible in mobile. Now, this is a tablet view, but if you're working with a smaller mobile device, such as a phone, you would see each one of these columns as a whole screen, and you could swipe to the left or right to easily move back and forth between these. So let's go ahead and look up an account. So it's easy for me to do categorize search across all the different entities in CRM within the mobile application as well. Now, while I'm here looking at this account, I can see a lot of information. It's very easy to navigate the user interface, but it also interacts with whatever my mobile device is in the best way for that device. So what I mean by that is, if I wanted to call Jeff Abels, I could just click the phone call button and it would make the call if I'm using a phone, or in this case, I'm using a tablet, so it actually pulls up Skype for me and can make the call for me with Skype. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'll cancel this. And you can also see, whether I'm on my phone or on a tablet, it brings in my phone call dialog as well, so I can create that phone call record and take some notes right there without having to remember to create a separate record. Now let's go ahead and open up an opportunity on this particular account. And you can see the user interface is pretty full-featured, and in fact, there are things here that work specifically with the mobile device, such as the ability to use touch to easily change certain fields in a very interactive way. My business processes are here at the top, and as I move between processes, I can actually do data entry within this particular column. I have full document management. So CRM is integrated with SharePoint, and this is on the mobile or the desktop client. I'm showing it to you in mobile here. Any documents I've created and stored associated with this record can be accessed directly on my mobile device, and I can open them on my mobile device as well. So I can easily get to any information I need to, even if it's shared on SharePoint around this. So for instance, if I created a quote or some other piece of information I need to bring up while I'm with the customer, I can bring it up right there. Another nice feature is my Word templates are available here as well. So if I need to actually create a document based on a template while I'm with a client, again, such as possibly a summary of an opportunity we're working on together or even a quote, I can do it right there. I can actually open it, I can tweak it, and I can send it to the client as an email while I'm sitting right there in front of the client that I'm working with. The mobile application also allows me to do some quick tasks that I can set up for my users. So wherever I am in the mobile, I get this little menu icon. I can pull up and you can see I have several things that I've configured for users right here. I can have a standard set of tasks I want a user to follow after completing a meeting, when making a contact regarding an opportunity, or when updating a contact. And if I click one of those, it brings up an interactive process that allows me to do things like select a record, do some data entry, and that data entry can actually be applied to multiple records. So after an opportunity, it might create a phone call, save that as complete, and also make updates to the opportunity, all within one function without the user having to remember to navigate around to different areas. So that summarizes a lot of what's available in mobile. There's certainly much more to it than that, but that should give you a good overview.